sick right now. Not sick, I just lost my voice. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go to this Cars and Coffee with my homie. We're lucky going really late. It ends at 12 and it's 11. And it's 30 minutes away from us. But it's hosted by Sheepy Race. I'm pretty sure you guys know them. I guess they just bought an F-150 and made it twin turbo. So we're gonna pull up, see if there's any cool cars. I'm gonna try not to talk too much because of my voice. It sounds crazy. I'll show you guys once we get there. I'm behind the homie right now on the street. I'm about to catch up to him. So I just made it behind the homie. He's right there. So we're gonna try to be quick on the freeway. Like I said, it's a 30-minute drive. It's currently 11:02. It supposedly ends at 12. So we're gonna try to be quick. I can't beat this fool now, he's too fast. Alright, we're barely pulling up right now. I don't know if it's active or not right now. It's about to end in like 40 minutes, so we just came just to see what's up. Oh, okay, right here. I'm gonna try not to talk too much in this video, because obviously my voice is all fucked up, but I apologize for that. I know that fool, I'll be talking to him a lot. There's a cool dude right there. Wow, bro. God, how about you? Everybody's probably, what the fuck's wrong with this voice? It's funny. Yeah, sure, right? Bro, hey, this fool got like 4 different sets of Bogarts on this shit, bro. Damn, it's all. He's the one that had the carbon fiber hood. He had a carbon fiber hood and splitter on it. Terminator.
Terminator?
Yeah, this is clean, bro. Well, my brother wanna build one.
Your brother?
Yeah, I was telling you. Sheepy truck.
Look at these ones right there, road races, bro. These shits are fucking hard.
I like this, bro. I want one to be so bad.
GNX.
King. Peace.
I'm way too good at goodbyes. It's your time, your time. Bye bye.
Nice.
That shit's fucking hard.
Bro. it's a nice color. Dang, that shit look crazy. Look at that. Mag, bro. You didn't see this?
I like this side right.
Oh, he got two different wheels on?
I got two, the same ring but different color.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, she's banging. Oh, this is crazy, bro. Damn, bro. That's fucking hard, bro.
Yeah.
This one? Oh yeah, these two.
Yeah, both of them. The wagon?
Hey, that's clean. I want one of those, bro. This is their tags, bro.
Well, they're all homies, too. I mean, they're all homies.
They made a little bit of these, so they tax these fuckers. Hell yeah, bro. Like that one is hard.
All of them here now.
The Mansions. Yeah, that shit crazy. That dealership. Yeah, this is so nice. Oh, no, that's crazy. Oh, I love this car. Got gemelos. You heard that? He said they got gemelos.
Gemelos?
He said the DJ. That's it.
Put a stream behind us because we're on stream,
On stream, so what's up? Yeah, that shit look funny as fuck. I'm telling you, I think these are like Suzukus, bro.
Yeah.
They make them look like the G-Wagons. It is. They make them like G-Wagons. They sell these shits in Mexico.
Well, I seen one in Japan. Baby one.
Bro, that shit funny. Why you started hearing this shit? I know it.
335. He said 335.
Bro, this shit's so hard, bro.
Well, I look at like the other one more. The other one's hard.
I like this. I find it.
Those fucking really sick as fuck.
No, but then everybody's gone now, fool. This road was
Those
packed.
are huge, huh? Well, I like Z06. Those shits are hard.
Oh, that sounds crazy. Hit that fool.
Poor guy.
Hey, that shit clean. I know he almost hit that fool.
I feel bad for that fool, bro.
Crazy.
Why didn't that fool do that shit right?
Chill, child. You about to...
It's hard as fuck on that shit. We're gonna go there, we're gonna stop off.
Hey, bro, why this shit get shut down? Shut your handle, bro.
So this what hits it. Fuck, you seen his front wheels, bro? Well, they're burn,
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. My voice is gone, so I apologize about that. I don't know what happened. But it was a last minute meet that me and my friend decided to go to. And I don't know if you guys seen the Sheepy Race truck was there. Their new F-150 twin turbo build they did. All of the Chamba cars were there. I don't know if you guys know who Chamba is. He has a bunch of badass cars. The Street Mob cars were there from Fuerza Regida. They had all their cars out there. So it was a lot of nice cars. There was Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Rolls Royce, like all the nice cars. And there's a lot of Fords. These trucks are really, really taking over. That was mainly like all the trucks you saw were just Ford. So that's kind of crazy. And then, yeah, well, people started doing burnouts and shit at the end. So me and the homie just left because then cops started pulling up and they were getting active. So, right, fuck that, let's go. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I apologize about my voice again. I don't know what happened.